And I came through the gate, and now they think it's feeding time. No, sorry ladies, it's fishing time. Let's see here. Fly of the day, size 16 olive stimulator like always. And the rod is my 6.5 foot 3-weight fiberglass. I have a feeling there's some fish up in the deeper water here. I'm closer to that little mini log crag. Nothing's rising. It's a bright sunny day, so conditions are not the best. But we'll try anyways. Oh, missed him. Right along the edge of that wood on the other side. Alright. Right in there. There. Oh, missed him. Strike two. Oh, damn it. Alright, I know you're in here now. They're on the other side. And up tight. Too far. Not quite. Not quite. There we go. That might have been it. This creek, most pools, you're good for like 2 rises or 2 fish, and that's it. I've noticed that on this stretch of water. I might have just blown both of my chances at this spot. Pardon me, just coming through to fish. Ugh. How's it going? Ugh. Whew, bit muddy. No, I'm good. Don't worry about me. Ugh. All right. Next little spot that's halfway worth the dam is right up here on this bend. And got a bit of a tailwind, so that'll help casting a little. Start up on the far end of the foam. There we go. First cast. Oh, and he's off. Good enough. Good enough. So there's my one. And there he goes down there. Let's see what we got over here. There's one. Well, they keep coming right for me. There we go. Little guy. About 4 inches of fury here. There it is. Little baby brown trout. Oh, beautiful little fish. Off you go. Now let's see if that's it for this hole, because that was 2. Put it up, farther up. Nothing up there. There's, oh, missed. Missed that one. Missed that one. Okay. We're doing good. And missed, geez Louise. That's 3 in a row I missed. Strike 3. And they're all right up at the lip. There we go. And there was 3 in a row. And now nothing. So let's see. Oh, something came behind that and said no thanks. So yeah, it's in the, there we go. Let's see what we got here. That's perfect. That's right where it needs to be. Alright. One just rose off this bubble line, but oh, this wind is terrible here. And I don't have much of a back cast with those trees and my balance, but we're going to give it a try. You got a gear. But, oh, there we go. Ah, he's off. Okay. 4 inches of fury on that one. There goes another one rising. Okay. All right, something's, there we go. Ow, lost that one too. Something's happening here. I may need to just get in the water for this, but it also looks very mucky. So I don't know. There we go. Ooh, this one feels fairly decent. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not the same as the other one, but they put quite a bend in. The 3 weight here. All right. Come here, big guy. Oh, and I'm almost falling over here. And this is what you walk up upon when you're fishing. I don't know if you can see this little guy or not. Don't move, little guy. I will get out of your way. I just wanted to show you. You're pretty. Where's Mom? Keep an eye out for Mama. I'm sure she's very close. So, and of course, there's fish rising right over there. I do not want to disturb this little guy. I'm going to walk very wide, pretty little guy. I'm going to take a picture of him though. You little guy. All right. I will leave you be. Oh, you are just gorgeous. All right. You grow up big and strong. I'm going to go lose some fish. All right. Let's see, between these trees and the wind, that looks like such a good spot. It's going to be damn near impossible. But we're going to give it a go. Probably going to have to get into the water for this one and kind of roll cast into it. We'll see. The thing is, my knees aren't working. Oh, getting old is fun. Oh, there we go. Got one fake knee and one that doesn't want to work anymore, so yay me. But the wind is okay here, dare I say. But I have no back cast. Like that, see? No back cast, right in the tree. Come on, roll cast. There. There we go. Oh, did you see that? Oh, there's one. There's two. Ooh, this one's staying hooked. Nice, nice, nice. Not a huge guy, but big enough. And even the little guys put a good bend on this 3-weight. All right. Come here, you. Well, there we go. That is a beautiful fish. Come on. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Good, good, good. Got 2 fish in like 3 casts. I'm okay with that. That's how I like it. Now, let's see if there's any more in here. But the holes are so small in this creek, I think you get too riled up and it just throws all the other guys off. Because they're in such a small area. So, I'm going to sit here and rest it for a bit and see how that works. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm a glutton for punishment. I'm going to try this again. That's right where it needed to go. And there's another one. Alright. Alright, resting it was enough. And he was way in the back end. Alright. Come here, little guy. It's a nice little fish. Chunky. These guys are well fed in this creek. Wow, he is fat. There we go. Off he goes. Good. All right. Now with that, I'm going to relocate. I think I've fished out this spot. Good enough. I spooked one in the shallows here, so I figure I'll try and drop one up here. There's a little deep hole up by those flowers. There he is. Oh, that was about 3 inches of pure fury right there. If that's all we got in here, I ain't worried about it. think up ahead of the flowers up there is a rock ledge of like an old bunker structure of some sort. That has since collapsed. But as you can see, the wind is just still pushing me. I mean, I'm aiming for the left bank, and that's where my fly dropped, on the right bank. So as you can see, it's a little breezy here. Oh, that should be a good spot. All right, we'll move on up. Oh, geez, there we go. Just when you give up hope. The little guy. Very little guy. Another one, 4 inches of fury here. Very pretty though. All right. I think that's enough to call it a day. It's been a nice one. Between the fawn and the wind and everything else, I think that's enough to call it a day. I think I'll just pack it up for the truck. One last look. Beautiful stream. Just a few minutes from Barryland. See ya.